Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Shirogorov Custom Division Stellar here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you aren't subscribed already, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this beauty right over here, because this is the Shirogorov Custom Division Stellar. Look at the action. This is just bonkers, guys. Really cool one. This is the latest model from Shirogorov Knives, and this is a custom division, so a little bit special. 3.75 inch long for the cutting edge. Look at that. 3.6 to be precise, and this is going to be 4.7 kind of. For the handle with 8.25 inches overall in length for this new model from Shirogorov Knives. This is a titanium liner lock with some pretty cool and new pattern for the milling. On the scales, it has a kind of dual tone finish. I don't know if you can appreciate that, but I mean the grooves, let's say the edges are like shinier. You can see maybe, and I mean it's not really like a dual tone, but it's a dual tone. I don't know how to explain, guys. It looks different to me, but still you have a liner lock with the inset liner. You see the lock is inset into the titanium scales, which have been, of course, internally skeletonized. The milling going on, like this 3D milling, is just gorgeous. Look at this concave area here, greatly radiused. It's just not a flat chamfer. It's very good. Like from any angle, this guy is looking good. Yeah, I have to say that. So this is made in Russia. Table price on this fella is $1,600, but forget about that. It's gonna go twice as much if you're lucky. And it is a gorgeous one, custom division knife. The anodization is fantastic. You have a dual tone pivot going on. You see, it's not like a classic pivot collar, like for example you would say in this fella right over here. You see pivot collar. Here you just get the pivot, no pivot collar, but you do get some dual anodization, kind of like satin on the side and a little bit matte in the center. Very cool indeed. This side is gorgeous. Like, I mean, how they put the inset lock is just fantastic, exposed nicely. You do have a very cool knife indeed. Titanium backspacer, tip-up carry only, dip carry, pocket clip, custom hardware, single row roller bearings for this fella right over here. Very little jimping. The action, guys, is this. The sound is this. It is a fantastic one. It is very subtle, very discreet. Let's quickly check the weight of this fella right over here, because it's not that much. 4.716 ounces in the pocket for this much knife. Yeah, cannot complain. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.